So that was the photo shoot and the little b-roll for my car, and I'm just testing out my new camera gear, which is the Sony a7S III paired with the 24-2 72.8 GM lens. So far I like the camera, I like the video. As you all know, the a7S III is a low light beast and the video specs are superb and top notch, but what surprises me is the photo quality of the camera itself. It only has 12 megapixel, but to me, in my eyes, they're perfect. It's sharp, the colors are great, it's sharp, and the low light is excellent. There's minimal noise in my images, so I'm gonna go check in Lightroom right now if there's gonna be some off noise in the images. But I'm an amateur photographer. I mainly do videos for YouTube and for hobbies and such, but the photos of the a7S III are phenomenal. I like the photos that's coming out straight from the camera, and the videos, it's another level. It's automatically a win for me, but the photos are great. So if you're still wondering whether or not the Sony a7S III is good for photography, if you're using photos for wedding and for professional work where you have to print and need to crop in, then you might make that decision to purchase the a7R4 or the a7C or perhaps the a7 III Mark III. So, but to me, this is a perfect hybrid camera because not only it does superb on videos, it can also do great on photos. So with this being said, this is my first day using the camera. I can already tell this is the low light. It's sunset right now and it's at 5:11, and the light that I have is just from off my GPS and some of the sunset out there in my dashboard. But oh man, I think I'm in love with this camera, and I'm switching from Canon to Sony, and I'm not going back. I'll still keep my 60 Mark II for photos, and because I still have Canon lenses. I have the 35 and the 70-200. I'll keep that setup for photos, but oh man, I'm in love with the Sony a7S III because not only it does superb on videos, but it can also produce perfect images to me for my needs. Let me know if you guys are thinking about getting the a7S III, or if you already have one, what do you guys like about it? So far, I like everything about it, and the menu system is not as easy as the Canon, but I can learn. It's all the learning curve and learning process with the new system and such. But moving forward, I'm gonna shoot with my Sony a7S III for my videos, and I'm gonna be using the camera for photos as well and post it on Instagram. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions about the camera, if you guys want to see some testing, let me know, because I'm new to Sony and this is my first Sony camera, and I chose this because of the great dynamic range and great low light sensitivity capabilities. So that's it. If you have any questions, comment down below. I gotta go and go eat and edit this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.